Wait.
I am a
1 second.
retard.
1 second. 1 second. Do you like music, guys?
Are you from Canada?
No, what's the girl's penis?
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Are you from Canada? Yes or no?
You sing for me.
And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way. But now, what?
Are you serious?
I stream sometimes,
Nice.
just for fun.
It's okay. Do you like music?
Yeah. Yes, I do like music.
Can I show you the best music
Yeah,
for
I
you?
listen to music every day.
Can I show you the best music for you?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, thank you
You
so
can
much.
show
You're
me
really nice,
the
brother.
best music.
This one?
Thank you for talking to me. What's it called? What's that?
Finger style. This is sad song.
I like this song. Really nice.
You know this song? What do you think?
Really good. I like that.
Thank you.
Sounds really nice.
Thank you.
Like a really nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
Is that on Spotify?
That's in YouTube channel. Just find this YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay.
Alip Ba Ta.
Okay. Wait. Let me just type it real quick.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Nice.
You are
Is
gamers?
it this one?
Yeah.
Is it?
Don't forget to subscribe, right?
Sorry?
Don't forget to subscribe. Yes.
Yes, I will subscribe. Wait, I have subscribed.
Appreciate so much. Appreciate.
No problem, bro. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's good. Next. Where are you from?
Are you Dutch? That's a good song.
Ngapain itu bocah-bocah tuh? Everything good? Ethan. Hello. Oh, are you? Oh.
I still see your face.
Nice. Do you like music?
Thank you. Yes, I do.
Can I show you the best music for you?
Okay.
Okay, just 1 second. I hope you enjoy.
2,000 years later.
This one. Where are you from?
South Africa.
You know this song?
No.
You don't know this song. But what do you think? That's good?
It is pretty good, but I've never heard the song.
Oh, it's okay. This is the name channel. Alip Ba Ta. YouTube channel.
It's better.
Thank you.
I'll listen to it.
I hope you enjoy all. Wow, that's a nice woman. Next. You sing for me.
And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way. But no,
Are you serious?
what do you think?
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you like music? Oh my god.